haven't done like a recap in a while, so this might look like a completely different bike. But let's see, we put these new graphics on there, make it look amazing. We put these number plate graphics to, and then I think these new levers. These are the unbreakable ones. We put that on there. That's for like a 2020 CRF model, but it fits on an 18-year-old 125, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, and we've been running up and down the road. Oh yeah, we put the chain guide on. Right there, the primary drive. Might be a couple other things. Oh, exhaust stickers. Yeah, I think that's all the new parts. But I've taken it up and down the road a couple times, just trying to break it in and do some like testing for the carburetor and stuff. But yeah, it seems to be, it works. It's got dirt on tires, but yeah. So, well, we are all done with the test rides and stuff, and we were just trying to get like the idle right on this, but we were just turning the screw and nothing would happen, and it was just the carburetor. It's not adjustable, so that means we unfortunately have to buy Electron. And I say unfortunately because that's $500 we weren't planning on spending. So, you know, I mean, it would be really cool to have Electron, but yeah, so gotta get Electron for it, but oh well. Thought we were done with all this major bike work, but we took out the bike just about all apart for this right there. Brand new Electron H series carburetor. Looks really nice. The old carburetor we had, which is over here, the adjustments on it just wouldn't do anything. And there's like a big old groove in the little slide in there, so we think that has something to do with it. But yeah, there's the old carburetor. Throttle cable. So we got the Electron carb and the new longer throttle cable right there. So we're gonna hook it up. Alright, so it's the next day, and we got the Electron on. So, yeah, we had to wrestle that thing on there, and we had to stretch out this like little airbox boot thing, and it was pretty difficult to get on. So hopefully it's all that it's chalked up to be. And then we put on a Wiseco hour meter, and it's at 0. So yeah, I'm gonna go put some hours on it today. Alright, so it's time to start it again, so we can test out that electron. And we have to put some hours on the hour meter, but first off we're just gonna warm it up and then rip it up and down the road and see how that does. And I got a new helmet, the Fox V1. I really like it, so today's gonna be the first ride on it, and then first ride at the hour meter, first ride on the bike out at the track. Yeah, so I guess I can turn the gas on. You can watch it come into the carb. Start from the top. There it goes. That's pretty cool. The first time I've ever done that. Alright, so let's try to start it. So after the first test ride, it was kind of boggy. I had like the really low end, and so we read up on it, and they're saying for that you have to take it apart and get the metering rod, which is basically like a needle and like a normal carb. So the metering rod is adjustable, because this carb is still kind of adjustable, but it's kind of like, and you initially adjust it and then it'll just self-adjust. That's like the main attraction on these things. But so we had to go a half turn out on the metering rod, so we're gonna test that out and hopefully that solves the bogginess. Alright, so we adjusted the carb first. We did half a turn counterclockwise, I believe, on the metering rod, and that wasn't right. And so that made like the bogging worse, and so we went a full turn clockwise so that it evened it out, and then went half a turn clockwise, and then I tested it out and it works. So I'm gonna go change out of my boots, back into some shoes, bring the truck up here, then we can load it and go out to the track. So yeah, alright, it's all up and loaded in the truck, so gonna go out to the track and get a first ride on it.